Hi there, I'm Dr. Ray Islam, Mohammed Juvaid Islam. I serve as a senior level AI scientist for the US government. I also had the privilege to teach natural language processing, also known as NLP, and machine learning as an adjunct professor at George Mason University. And historically, I served as a full-time faculty at University of Maryland, Collegeburg. I bring years of experience in terms of academia and industry and bridge the theory with real world. Through this course, I'll try to deliver some of the knowledge that I acquired in this process. This course would be in between a bootcamp style and a theoretical class.
In this course, we begin by building a strong foundation. You'll learn what generative AI actually is, how it fits within the broader field of artificial intelligence, and why it has become so influential today. We will then walk through the evolution of AI from early rule-based systems to modern breakthroughs like large-scale generative models. Next, we explore how modern AI systems work under the hood. You'll gain an intuitive understanding of large language models, diffusion models used for image and media generation, and multimodal systems that combine text, images, and other data types. Key concepts such as embeddings, cosine similarity, and attention mechanisms are explained in a math-light, code-light way, focusing on intuition rather than formulas. From theory, we move into practice. You'll examine real-world applications of generative AI, including retrieval-augmented generation. You'll also work with today's leading tools and frameworks, including GPT, Claude, Hugging Face, and LangChain, and learn how models are evaluated and improved in real deployments. This is a hands-on course. You'll actively practice prompt engineering, fine-tuning, and building end-to-end AI workflows. At the same time, we address critical issues such as model limitations, data privacy, and AI governance. In the final module, you'll bring everything together in a portfolio-ready project. You'll design a real-world generative AI system.
So, generative AI in broad spectrum, there are text generation, right? We already know GPT and image generation, code generation, synthetic data generation, kind of like research discovery, or music generation, sentiment analysis, and much more.